Why is it even there? They don't even need this wall.
The OPW, or the Office of Posh Walls as they're now being called, is facing a backlash after spending nearly £500,000 on a wall at the headquarters of the Workplace Relations Commission in Ballsbridge.
This is nonsense. I don't know if you've seen the wall, Shane. It's not very tall. First of all, €500,000 for a wall. It's absolutely outrageous. Apparently the original estimate was €240,000, which was also very dear for a wall. But then, shock, horror, they found an electricity cable and a water mains under the wall.
Pipe.
And the next thing, it's now $500,000. First of all, why does the Workplace Commission need a wall around it? I don't think anyone's going to storm the WRC. If you were building an extension on your house, first of all, let me tell you, if you're building an extension on your house and you found an electricity cable or a water pipe underneath the kitchen extension, it wouldn't add $250,000 to the value. So I don't know where this money is going.
It's going down the drain.
It's going down the absolute drain. But also, at what point does he say this is too much?
And clearly, what's going on here is, it's not their money.
No.
So they don't need to be careful about it.
They don't need to be careful. And also, whoever they're dealing with, I think, goes, the OPW clearly write blank checks practically. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't think many of us, if we were building a garden wall and we got the price in at £500,000, which most people think it's what it should cost to build a house, that we would say that was fair enough. If you disagree, I'd love to hear from you, because I can't see anyone thinking that why is it even there? They don't even need this wall. It's just nonsense.